Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 24th of January, 2017. Not much new to say. I wish it was different and exciting. Here's the ES. This is the Broad Market Futures daily chart. Still dead flat sideways, not going anywhere. We did briefly by a point or two dip lower than we have been in over a week, but I mean, look at those candles. At the end of the day, we're still right where we were over a month ago, and not much going on. Let's go through the major indices. I'm not sure there's much to say about tomorrow, but we'll just go through it. Crude oil down 40 cents to 52.8250 or 52.82. Gold up $10 and 10 cents to 12.15. That's almost a new high for a while in gold. S&P cash index lost $6.11. NDX gained 2.50. SOX down 6.24. Biotech's down 25.59. The VIX gained 23 cents. Trend closed really high for a boring day at 1.87. Seems like the boring days get the high trend readings, right? That puts the 10-day moving average at 1.26, so we're not going to be getting a sell signal there anytime soon. Lowest volume of the year so far. Barely hit 1.5 billion, and that's with some end-of-day prints, so not very exciting. Advanced decline ratio negative 539 on the NASDAQ. Positive 260 on the New York, so pretty flat. Google gains $16. That's a new closing high in Google. Apple gains 8 cents. Can't go anywhere really. Been stuck to that 120 number through expiration and beyond. Amazon up 9.55. Netflix down 121. Slowly sliding after the gap up on earnings. Tesla gains 4. That's a new closing high. So we've got new closing highs on Google, Apple, Tesla, and near highs on Netflix, and a new high for a while, at least on Amazon, although it's still down since the election. We've got bonds here, TLT up 120. It's the 10-year bond. And the Dow that we don't care about, down 27.40. Let's take a look at Goldman. I continue to have puts on Goldman, so I'm short Goldman. That's kind of a bear flag forming there, though. That's interesting. Remember, as banks go, so will go most of the market in this case. Bank of America holding up so far. JP Morgan Chase looks very similar to Goldman. So any downward move in those is what's going to get the market heading lower. All right, let's take a look at the intraday action. I'm going to switch this to 5-minute candles on the ES. So you can see Friday's gap up and then drift down for expiration. That was boring as expected, but here we are Monday. Open flat, headed lower, like I said, swept the lows, the recent lows, and then came back up a bit. And that's about it. NASDAQ side closed a little more positive, but really nothing to show for it. Tomorrow for Tuesday, economic data. All we really have is the existing home sales number. That's it. So that's not very interesting either. But it's a Tuesday and not a Monday. Hopefully that means better things. We do have a lot of data, as we talked about in the weekend report, particularly on Thursday and Friday with that first look at GDP for the fourth quarter. That's a big one. Hopefully the market doesn't just wait for that. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday. Let's hope it's more exciting than Monday.